Is this recording? Alright, you guys ready?
Ready,
Yeah.
ready.
Okay, let's get on to it. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. This is
Icon Anak Brunei episode 0.
okay. So before we get into it, you guys wanna know who we are, kan? We are from
Villaju.
Hi, my name is Nap.
Hi, I'm Rian.
Hi, I'm Kai.
Yeah, we're from Villaju Brunei, and how we first started is, well, it goes back to masa tahun 2023. We met during the first SDG of Dialogue. If you guys don't know what SDG is Sustainable Development Goals.
Yes.
Correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes.
Yeah, awal-awal pun kami jumpa pun belum juga kami kenal each other.
Yeah, we're basically 5 strangers yang register into one cluster. It was the job sector, and then we got grouped into satu group, and then we talk about anilah issues that we see fits into the youth narrative and also SDG narrative. And then alhamdulillah, after multiple session of brainstorming together sama-sama, we come up with our first pilot project, which is the project Upskilling Tutong, which we're gonna talk more about later, I guess. And then there's also a session in the youth dialogue where we can pitch our project to our stakeholder.
Yeah, we also didn't know yang it was a competition.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought it was like pitch for fun kan in a way.
Yeah, it's just to practice your pitching skills, but we end up pitching it, and then alhamdulillah we were granted a grant.
Yeah,
Is that how
we were
you say
given
it?
a grant.
Yeah, we were given a grant
We
of
were-
Some money.
some money.
It was kira months after kan dah?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
around I think July.
There's a couple of process lah, but yeah, we managed to win the grant. We were also announced during the Hari Belia Kebangsaan.
Yeah, Hari
correct?
Belia Kebangsaan masa tahun 2023 in
Yes.
August.
So maybe like Rian, since you're the one who, the mastermind of that project Upskilling Tutong, you can talk a bit about that project.
Right.
Yeah, and why Tutong? I think orang mau tahu tu je.
So I don't take all the credit. So ano lah kira alhamdulillah I had a good kira apa ni group masa tu ada Kaizuran, Nabila and lots others lah. So we know that upscaling programs exist in Brunei, but it's always more or less kinda held di bandar or urban areas je tu. How about those who are in the interior parts of Brunei who wants to go to these upscaling programs tapi pasal due to time constraint, accessibility, transportation payah. So we kira plan lah
Yeah, we plan.
to bring this upskilling project to Tutong. Alhamdulillah we did it twice and berapa orang I
We
think
had
more
like
than
40 plus
collectively
participants.
collectively
Yeah.
40 participants.
Itu pun this aligns with the current Sustainable Development Goals SDG motto, which is leave no one behind. So it's something that we're happy that we are contributing in lah.
Yeah.
Plus just a fact lah. Our wawasan Brunei pun it's also related to the Sustainable Development Goals.
Yeah. That's what we try to achieve lah. And then after the project was executed, it was in the duration of satu tahun in 1 year. Alhamdulillah, it was actually another competition sebenarnya. So there's a competition within the competition, and then we managed to menang Best Project Award under the BABD Youth Sustainability Leadership Award.
So thank you, BABD.
And also for Nabila and Rian, they were awarded Best Female and Male Participant respectively. Yeah, congrats guys.
Yes.
Kami borong lah.
So alhamdulillah dalam masa setahun na tu, it's not really 1 year less than 1 year
Yeah.
we got Best Project Ideation, which is our project Upskilling Tutong. We won Best Overall Sustainability Project, Best Male Leader and Best Female Leader. So it gave us macam tu in a way credibility lah to move forward with what we're gonna do next.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So this is what's next.
I guess. Yes.
So Icon Anak Brunei. Yeah, what is it? Well, basically we want to it's not
Yeah, it's a series,
Yeah,
podcast series.
Podcast series ni macam mana? What you're saying. So this is why it's episode 0, just to get you guys the gist of how it's gonna be.
Yeah, and hopefully we're gonna invite other interesting guests that is based in Brunei Darussalam. Mainly, of course, since anak Brunei, we're focusing on the youth that is in our countries. Yang we believe that we want to highlight dorang punya work ni. Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably like those yang made an impact either macam in their respective niches, contoh macam dorang in sports kah, in community kah, or macam in their respective kampung kah, and so on. It could be in either macam arts pun boleh, like that, right?
Definitely.
Because in the end, what we're trying to achieve is we want to motivate these youths. We want to inspire these youths. That's why it's Icon Anak Brunei. Mau supaya dorang move forward. And this is also aligning with Obasan Brunei 2035. You might be wondering why we are doing Icon Anak Brunei and why kami rasa it's different than the other podcast. Not saying yang macam we're the best of the best, but why are we doing this?
Yeah, we feel like there's a gap that needs to be filled lah. That we want to highlight. Yeah.
Yeah, also it's because macam recently juga we did hold our own project yang lapas the VIPD thing, which is Coffee Talk with MHO. So we heard macam ramai rupanya youths ni bersuara. They have a lot of voices in them, and we want to highlight that juga. Pasalnya dorang pun ada dorang punya own niche, right? So that also inspired us. Ani pun it's like a long overdue project. We wanted to do it lama sudah kan, but now it's the right time after the project upskilling.
We hope this platform will be utilized positively by our youth and to make their voices heard. And insyaAllah kalau boleh kira collaboration projects apa in the future.
InsyaAllah.
Thing I would like to also touch on kira tadi punya dasar belia. So that is also kira kami punya benchmark lah yang when we go through sama-sama is this project can also this series can also help out to achieve the dasar that is mentioned. Maybe if I look into here, we wanted to highlight the initiative dasar nomor 4, which is menggalakkan kecemerlangan dalam sukarelawan komuniti dan pencapaian profesional. There's also kira here that states majoriti signifikan dalam kalangan belia memilih objektif dasar untuk membolehkan belia menyumbang sepenuhnya kepada ekonomi dan masyarakat dan berpartisipasi dalam proses membuat keputusan. So di sini sudah kena beritahu macam there is a need for suara belia ni kena naikkan. We want to be heard, and it's already in the dasar. So we want to sahut this dasar, and then show us belia ni benarnya we have something to offer for our community.
Yeah. To show that belia ni are capable of doing whatever orang di others can,
Definitely.
So you might be wondering apa kriterianya and how do we find these people? So we're looking for these belia yang berumur 15 ke 35 tahun, yang macam active, passionate in their own niche. Contohnya ya atlet kah ya, dorang atau aktif dalam sukarelawan kah, community kah, atau MPK kah, arts and so on. But not limited to the categories yang kami mentioned just now.
Definitely. If you find anything interesting, just let us know.
Yeah, just let us know. Our IG sanang dicari, our email ni sanang dicari. Nasi dia. Yeah, we hope with this podcast we can inspire other youths, because we know there are a lot of voices out there who can inspire others, and it's kind of like a cycle jadinya kan, supaya we can ramai orang.
No, it's a domino effect.
Yeah, domino effect. That's it. I was gonna say Swiss cheese model.
I mean, people have been saying, belia ni masa depan negara.
Yes.
So this is where we want to show you the future of Brunei through these people. Yes.
Yeah. The future starts now. Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Starts now. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Kalau kamu mau anyone to be featured, or you guys can feature di Kamuja. You can email us here at our handles here, our IG, our email. So that's it for today. We are Villaju, and that's the end of episode 0. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Icon Belia.
Cahaya Negara.
Yeah.